Hello and welcome to my home. Today I'm going to talk to you about some of the tools that I use to help keep my vegetables and fruits safe from, four-legged little critters. But before we go there, I want to let you know I have other types of videos on my channel. I have easy to prepare recipes, product reviews, meditation videos, and other videos on how to grow a variety of vegetables in containers. So let's go look at some of the things that I use that are successful, and I'm going to show you a few things that just aren't worth the money. One of the main animals that I try to keep at bay are squirrels, and now since I've moved here, rabbits. Now for the squirrels, I've had a lot of success using these type of repellents that affect the ear and hearing of the squirrel, and it's at a pitch that they don't like. So let me show you those. So this is the solar animal repeller, and different companies make them. I have an older version that I have right here that I've been using for several years, and it picks up solar energy, so it's not plug-in. You don't have to worry about electricity, and it works on different frequencies that you can adjust depending on what animal you're trying to repel. It has this light and a flash and a sound that helps repel the squirrels, in my instance, from the yard. And I really like this one, and I ordered a different company. There's so many different companies, but no matter which one you order, you're going to have to charge it up first. Let me show you the cord. They come with this USB cord. You have to charge it up first, and then after that you don't have to charge it anymore. It's going to be solar charged by the sun, and it does a real good job of keeping the squirrels away. And they come in different price ranges. They're around $35, $45. Another thing that I've invested in since moving here is I seem to have a rabbit family that's living under the shed. But these type of pest guards, you can type in pest guards. I get this stuff on Amazon, also online nurseries, and seed catalogs will also have these types of things. They're a little bit pricey, about $20 a piece, and you usually get them in a pack of 3 or 2. So that'll tell you how much that cost is, around $60 for 3 of them. And they're very effective. They come with stakes that you put into the ground, but because I'm afraid them little rabbits and squirrels would dig underneath the netting underneath it, I've reinforced it with some leftover pavers to keep down the edges. Some of them have really small holes, which I think is good, but if you're worried about pollinators being able to get in there, you may want to go to one that has larger holes in it, and I did order some of those. And this one has much larger holes in it, and pollinators can get in and out, but the critters can't. And this one was advertised particularly as allowing pollinators in because, again, the mesh is a larger holes in the mesh. Now another thing that I use in particular for my tomatoes to protect them against the squirrels and birds are these little covers. Now I have a whole box of them, and basically as the tomato gets a little bigger, you put this over it, tighten it up around the stem, and you protect it from the squirrels nibbling on it, and also it protects pretty good against birds poking holes in your tomatoes as well. So I find these really helpful. I have a whole box of them because I've ordered them every year because I add more and more tomatoes, and so I have to have more and more of these covers. Now this is called one of those scary eye balloons. It's a blow-up balloon. You get a pack of them. I think they worked for me for maybe a week and a half, and I had to keep moving it around to make it effective. The thing is, it has these big eyes on there. You can see down towards the bottom, and it's on a string so it bobs and moves around to ideally scare away the animals, specifically the birds. But I didn't think it did a very good job. They also have these little scary owl. It got kind of like a hologram print on it and some eyes, and it has some little noise maker. Again, it's not very effective. I wouldn't waste your money on it. Now these are some little reflectors. Yeah, I didn't find that very useful at all in keeping anything away, so I wouldn't recommend that. And then Mr. Owl, I think he worked for like again a week, and I had to move him around. His head is supposed to bobble, but it doesn't bobble that much, and it doesn't work that well. Matter of fact, one of the birds even sat on his head, so I don't recommend that. Now this is one of those scat mats. It has it's plastic, has pointy little mat that you lay down around your plants. I regret ordering it. I just don't see the use of this one. I've had this a couple of years and still haven't used it. And there you have it. That's what I've been using to help keep critters away from my vegetables. Because you want to grow your garden and you want to be able to eat the fruits of your labor. So you're going to have to more than likely do something to protect your fruits and vegetables. If you like that video, hit the thumbs up like button and consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell so you know when I've uploaded a new video. That's it for now. Bye-bye.